If you want to set up Smart Connect on a Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to Settings. In here you should be able to find Connected Devices. You want to go here, and then we have the Smart Connect option. Now if you go here for the first time, you will have to grant some permissions, but essentially here you can now start adding a new device. You can also press this plus button in the upper right corner, or you can press Add a Device. You don't really need to use a Motorola or Lenovo account in order to connect your devices, but it is just convenient to do so. If you decide to not use any of these things, then of course you can just still continue to pair it. You should be able to have all the instructions available on your smartphone. In the case of PC, you need to get the Smart Connect app. You can get it from the Microsoft Store, as you can see over here. In the case of a tablet, of course, we need to get the Smart Connect from the Play Store. With the case of your TV, for example, your displays, you probably want to make sure that the Smart Connect is available. And then you can just proceed. There we go. You can scan for displays. Apparently, it is not really necessary to have the Smart Connect, but it should have Miracast or Chromecast available, as we can find out over here. And we can do the same thing with every other option that we have available over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.